Hello everyone, I am Hema Sree Nunna from the CSE department. Today I am going to explain the topic functions in C language, including the types of functions such as predefined and user-defined functions. What is a function? A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps us divide a large program into smaller and easier parts. Why functions are used? Functions are used to avoid writing the same code again and again. They make programs modular, help in debugging errors more easily, and make the overall code more readable and organized. Types of functions in C. In C, there are mainly two types of functions. That is, predefined or library functions and user-defined functions, which are created by the programs themselves. Predefined or library functions. Predefined functions are the functions that are already available in C libraries, such as stdio.h and math.h. And these are the examples, that is printf, scanf, and square root, and more. User-defined functions. User-defined functions are the functions which are created by programmers based on their needs. And here is the syntax, and the example we have taken here, the function adds the both integers and returns the value. Types of user-defined functions. There are four types of user-defined functions depending on arguments or parameters and return values. There are function with no arguments and no return value, function with arguments and no return value, functions with no arguments but return value, functions with arguments and return value. And here is the example that we are going to perform later. Here are the advantages of using functions. Using functions makes programming more efficient. It allows code reusability, makes debugging easier, simplifies maintenance, and reduces overall complexity of the program. And you're going to understand better when we are going to perform the main example. And to conclude, functions make programming structured and modular. C supports both predefined and user-defined functions. I think we get that point. And functions make code efficient and organized. Yeah, let's see that in the example.